Hello my people, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to talk about food preparation between Kenya and Uganda. As you have seen this picture of chapatis, you can see there's a lot of differences between the two countries. Well, in Kenya you can find chapati is being prepared just like the way you are seeing it here. However, in Uganda, they have taken this to the next level, whereby they have mixed eggs and some sort of ingredients, and then they come up with something called Rolex. So, this Rolex in Uganda is so common. So, I'm just giving you a tip. When you go to Uganda, just ask for Rolex. They will bring you something like this, and then you'll enjoy. Then let us talk about another picture where there's a difference in terms of cooking. Well, in this picture, you can see there's a ugali, and on the other side, there's what we call posho. By the way, if you don't know, another name for ugali is posho. As for Ugandans, they prefer calling it posho. Now, in Kenya, they have prepared posho in this way, where they have organized something like this in the middle, and then meat around it with the greens, then onions. Tomatoes. But in Uganda, they have made a variety of this, whereby they have put their posho, chapati, matoke, some meat prepared in banana leaves, and then beans. So the combination of this is what Ugandans like. But in Kenya, we like only one way of eating. Like we only eat like this one item at a go. So when you come to another picture of pilau, you can see in Kenya they have prepared the pilau in this format, but in Uganda they have prepared theirs in that format. So in Kenya they have organized pilau like this. Is a pilau of chicken, so it is just chicken and rice with some sort of ingredients. However, in Uganda they have organized pilau of meat, but around it there's beans and some ingredients. There's another plate which they have put aside. It's like a side dish. So they have put there ugali, matoke, sweet potatoes, and then a sauce of groundnuts, and then meat in it. So in case you don't know, Ugandans like so much the issue of eating a variety of meals at a go. Mixing meals at a go, because if you can prepare a meal like the way we eat here in Kenya, for them it will be too boring. Like if you can eat only ugali with some greens, or you can eat ugali to meat, you can find that is a little bit of boring. But for Ugandans, they like mixing this particular food item so that they feel comfortable. So guys, what is your take about this particular preparation of food in East Africa between the two countries? Let me know in a comment section. See you in the next video.